Alright, so as you guys can see, I have already done one off camera. I kind of wanted to do one off camera so I can have an idea what I wanted to do because I had no clue what I wanted to do. So I did use the MORPHE x jaclynhill Vault palette. I used the Arm and Gorgeous palette. I only used 3 shades from this palette. I used the Access, Secure, and then Coin for my eyes. And then I just already did my base makeup because I wanted a short video. I mean, my videos aren't that long anyway, but I feel like I wanted it to be just like a super short, simple, nothing too crazy. But yeah, so if you want to see how I did this look, just keep on watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channels, follow me on my social medias. It'll be all listed in the bio below. Hope you have a good one. Also, Happy New Year. So I've already primed my lids. I use the I'm at a little more, just a little more pigmented. I use the good old OG NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk. You never go wrong with that one. I feel like whenever I do any colorful looks, that's what I go with. I tried earlier with like a lighter concealer, but I wasn't feeling it, so I went over and did the Milk because you can never go wrong with that. So I'm just going to take a small tapered brush. I'm going to pick up some of that excess color and tap off the excess. What I like to do is you're going to go and pat it on. I feel like when you pat it on, you get more payoff than if I was going through already and blended it in. So just continue to build that up. And then start on the outer corner first. And then continue to build up all over the eye. So just continue to press in the eyeshadows. Okay, so now that it's pressed in, I'm going to grab just a regular blending brush and then go through and just blend out the edges, just so we don't have any harsh edges. Pick up a little bit of the shade Access, tap off the excess, and then just continue to pat first and then blend. And you continue just to do the same steps. I'll pat on the Access shade and then I blend it and then I go back and forth. So I'm going to do that once again. And for my lid, I'm literally using the same brush as of now, and then I'll switch over to another brush. For right now, I'm just going to go and same thing, pack it on the lid. And then once again, blend it. This is a super easy look you can do. I mean, you can do it with any shade. You can do it with red, you can do it with purples, pinks. Maybe I'll do like a red smoky eye in my next video. We'll see. So I'm just gonna pick up a generous amount of the Access shade and just go through and blend it all over my eye. Just so it is all blended out. Okay, so then now I'm going to take a shader brush And then I'm going to grab a little bit of the excess again, and then chop off excess and then focus it on my lid. I feel like when you do this shader brush, you get more pigment. And I want the more color to be on the outer, I want more color to be on the center of my lid. Alright, and then I'm going to take the shade Secure, just a deeper, like, I guess you could say like between like a red and orange, but more on the orange side. Then I'm going just to take it on the same thin blending brush, just to add just a little bit in my crease. You don't really see that big of a difference, but I just feel like it gives me a little more of like dimension in my eyes. So then it's just not one full shade of the excess shade. Then once again, get the same blending brush and then just blend it. And I am going to get some of the shade Coin, and this is just a flat eyeshadow brush. And then I'm going to put that on my brow bone. I'm really not like I don't really normally highlight my brow bone. If I do, it's literally like what's stuff on my brush, like a simple, like easy. But I feel like with this one, I want to be extra. So I'm gonna add some Coin all on my brow bone, and then drag it down. And then if you feel like it's a little bit too much, just blend it out with the same blending brush. And then we are going to same Coin and then get on the inner corner. It's been a minute since I did that one. Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to do the bottom lash line, and then we're almost done. It's super easy. I'm going to grab the flat shader brush. No, I lied. I'm going to grab the NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk and grab it and put it on the bottom. Okay, now I'm going to get a blending the brush, tap off the excess, and then literally I'm trying literally just tap it's the Morphe M432 brush. Then I'm going to just grab a little bit of that Secure, just to keep it up just a little. There we go. And then, this is the tricky part. I'm going to grab the NYX Vivid Brights shade, liquid liner. This one is in Vivid Halo. I'm going to grab this one and just put this in my waterline. I'll try to get this on camera, but I am blind, so I need to be like hella close to the mirror, but I'll try. Let's see. Alrighty, y'all, so this is the finished look. Hope you guys love it. I like it. It's a little dramatic, but it's cute. It's not too crazy. I normally don't do lashes, but I feel like this look needed lashes, and I feel like I don't do them. and I buy so many lashes, so, and my sister uses them. So normally my sister Jamaica, she takes all my lashes, but it's fine because they didn't come to use because I don't use them. But hope y'all love it. I will list everything that I used on my face in the description box. It literally is pretty much the same products I normally use, but if you want to know what I use, it is. But yeah, I'll get a little closer. You can see everything. If you have any questions, please leave them in the description below. Leave them in the comments below. And please subscribe to my channel, follow me on my social medias. I will list them all in the description, and I promise I'm gonna be more active. Alrighty, you guys, hope your new year is starting off well. Everything's going good. But yeah, I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye, see y'all later.